question you want to ask yourself is your olive oil fresh? Olive oil is best consumed within 2 years of the harvest date. That being said, some olive oils can last longer than 2 years and some can have a shorter shelf life. The best way to tell if your olive oil is still fresh is to smell or to taste it. The smell of a rancid olive oil is often like the smell of crayons. A good fresh olive oil will have a nice green, fruity scent to it. Next, you want to taste the olive oil. If the olive oil leaves a really oily residue in your mouth and on your lips, it's most likely gone rancid. Rancid olive oil will no longer give you the health benefits that you're looking for in an extra virgin olive oil.